In this screencast, I'm going to give an introduction to LaTeX and give an example of creating a simple document, building the document with LaTeX, adding headings and text, and then showing some different document types. So first of all, I'll create a blank document. So there's nothing in here. First of all, begin by describing what type of document it is. I'm going to create a document type article. The next thing to do is to state where the article begins and ends. And so any text I put between begin document and end document will be rendered as part of the document. And that's it, that's all it takes to create a LaTeX document. Now to build that document, I'm going to use PDF LaTeX, which builds the document into a PDF. So that's the output. And if you see now, I had the original document. I had these two files are generated by LaTeX, and this is what I'm interested in, the PDF output. So if I open that, you can see this is the this is the produced document. There's not much here, as you can see, because that's what I wrote. But that's the generated document as a PDF. So now I'm going to add some more text and headings. So if I delete that, so to add headings, I can add a section heading by typing the command section, and then these two curly braces, anything I type between here will be added as the section heading text. And I'll just put some basic text in there. So I've got a section heading and some text. I can run that again. So run that. And you can see again, I've got the heading and the text I added. So I can add some more headings. So I'll add another section. But I'll call this second section. Add some more text. I might want to add a subsection, which is a slightly smaller heading. Call that first subsection. Again, run that, open that output, and as you can see now, so I've got the first section, and you can see that these have both been automatically numbered as section 1 and section 2, and where I added the subsection inside the first section, it's been given a number 1 because it's inside this section, and it's been automatically numbered as 1.1 because it's the first subsection inside there. So if I add some more text in another subsection, that should be automatically, numbers should automatically be updated again. So break that paragraph up. Call that the second subsection. That again, open that, and you can see again, so LaTeX takes care of all the numbering from my sections, and also you can see that the formatting was reduced. It's a smaller size for these subsection headings compared with the section headings. So LaTeX takes care of the formatting, and all you have to worry about is creating the content. So now next thing I'll do, I'm going to add a title. So the title is a simple LaTeX document, and that's with the title command, all the text inside here is rendered as a title, and I have to put the make title command again. I'll just run that, open that, and you can see here it's taking care of the formatting again and added the title with the date. I close that. You can see it says here that no author. I didn't add an author in that title, so I can do that now. Author me. Run that one more time. Open that. So there the author is automatically added inside the title. So that's a simple introduction to creating a document as an article, as I specified here. I can change that type to a report to give an example of a different LaTeX document class. I'll just run that again, open that. And now you can see I've changed that to a report. The title has now been moved to the front page on its own, and the text begins on the second page. However, you can see here it begins with 0 instead of 1, and that's because in a report class document it expects chapters, so I can add a chapter command here. It's the same as a section command, but I'm just using chapter, and call this first chapter. Run that once more, and you can see this is now starts with chapter 1, first chapter, and then all my first section now begins with 1 because it's now chapter 1 and first section in chapter 1, and all sections afterwards are incremented like that. And the title is still on the front page. One more thing I want to do now is I might want to, for example, create a table of contents. But LaTeX makes that again very easy. Table of contents. And that command should just add a table of contents. I'm going to put a blank page between the table of contents and the start of the first chapter, and that's what that clear page command does. So if I run that one more time, I think that should work. I'll just run it one more time. So now you can see, let's zoom in a bit, that it's automatically created a table of contents for me from where I specified where the chapters and sections begin, and it's added the numbers for me, and that's all with just adding that table of contents command. And so that's it really. That's just meant to show how simple it is to start creating documents with LaTeX.